Changing Siri's name on an iPad? Unfortunately, you can't change Siri itself. That's her name and Apple is pretty protective of it. But there's a clever way you can customize how Siri addresses you. Let me explain. First, why is this even a thing? Well, some people, like me, don't want Siri calling us by our actual name. Maybe you're tired of Siri mispronouncing it or want her to call you something cool like Captain. Here's the fix. You're going to change your personal contact card on your iPad. Siri uses the name tied to your contact to address you. If you've never created one, now's the time. Let's walk through it step by step. To start, open the Contacts app. If you're not sure which one is your contact, look for the one labeled My Card at the top of the list. That's the one Siri is referencing whenever she talks to you. Tap on your contact card. Now hit Edit in the top right corner. This is where the magic happens. You can change your first name, last name, and even add a nickname. This nickname is what Siri will use if you set it up. Scroll down and find the Add Field option. Tap it, then choose Nickname from the list. A field will appear under your name where you can type the nickname you want. Go bold. This is your chance to be Supreme Ruler or Mastermind. Once you've entered the nickname, click Done in the top right corner. Now this is the part where you teach Siri to use it. Hold the Home button or say, Hey Siri, to summon her. Then say, Call me your nickname. She'll confirm with something like, Okay, I'll call you nickname from now on. If she gets it wrong, don't panic. Siri is trainable. Just correct her pronunciation when prompted, and she'll get better. Pro tip, if you want to have some fun, use an emoji in the nickname field. Yes, Siri will say things like hello out loud. It's hilarious, and it works. If Siri still calls you by the wrong name, double-check that your contact card is marked as My Info. To do this, go to Settings, Siri and Search, My Information, and select your updated contact card. Why stop at nicknames? You can also customize how Siri recognizes friends or family. Change their nicknames or relationships in their own contacts, like Cool Uncle Leo or Queen Mom. Siri will respect it. Adjusting Siri's responses just makes her interactions feel more personal. Let me tell you, it's oddly satisfying when Siri calls you by a title you created. It's worth the extra 4 minutes to set up.